ngongera kusima bakyara bagenzi banga bahulire go muranga guno gwa bwangu bayimukizamu bayija batayina hari bakweganyirira kyonke kitugoboroyire kibaire kiyamani mu kandi
bamahabatara bayitaba umukurambure cyaye cyakabarega International Airport muri Hoima bagira ngo babe batakutunga makuru marungi okurwo mu cyaye cy'byamashita gukongobwa hati baza kutandika kwejumbiro mu mirimo irukuganyirwa mu byamashita aba bagira ngo amakuru agamwe babe batagatunga agarukufa cyaye cy'enyonyi gukongobwa batungo mu gishago kwestiraho hati baza kutandika kwejumbiramo
ande kituzoire nti kuno takuja kuba ni haika ni habaye ni haje y'abantu batasomere tukusaba abazaire bona basomesa abana tukulugwa ngubona bamara university batukano bwako basomere akagera mirimo yengaro nkejo akusobora kuba na yajana afune mirimo kusinga na busomere
nange ekishayi kiri kirungi muno abagamba gangu ekishayi kiri kirungi muno ubwe musanga kiri kirungi muno kandi kubangambira mulime emikubi musomesa abana emirimo egya kuija omaiso abakyara mwekambe mukwatanize amakaganyo mugateke hamutindo
nanyosemereyo muno obumpikire hakishayi ky'enyonyi kine kyakabale kyokemanya kakabale ga national airport kwe murudi kwange kukubanza kurangu nanyompikire hano abiki kusima muno cha person right mero simpai nyoro picha banura arali wale muno kutuleta naitwa abakazi tukayika hakishayi ky'enyonyi abakazi tukatusigalire munenyuma kionkati tukura tusemereiru
Amos Murisa uri mugamzi wa company yakwatire contract ukombeka ekishayi ky'enyonyi eti ahamya kwa mirimo eti yashitira abuceka cyenda na bunahigana ati nko kusima batara abo kutaya aho hakishayi eti.
We are at around 94% genocide progress. Today's engagement it is part of our policies of stakeholder engagement. And why we host such category of stakeholders is to make them aware of what we are doing and how they can tap in the opportunities. First and foremost, they will act as our ambassadors. Some Ugandans mislead others. They will say this is not an airport, or it is not going to be standard, or this. Now these people being from this region, we invite them here, we take them around, we show them what we have done here, the capacity of the airport, and how they can tap in this opportunity.
Peter Banura utapaso nwentebe yakatano wa district ya Kikube kandi watwara abacyaraba acayi kutirambura nagira ngo bwiro bwinzi abacyarano batigwenyima umukutunga amakuru agarukufa byamashita umutanga cyabo.
So I brought them here specifically as leaders to be able to witness for themselves, to be able to tell the journey that indeed government is serious, government is working, and government needs this facility up and running to fast track the oil by 2025. Indeed, the main purpose for this airport here was to have equipment to put up the refinery brought in by air at the fastest time possible, so that we are able to see what is taking place. So the women have been, of course, green. They have been ignorant, not knowing what is happening in their region, in their place, just a stone throw away. So I took it upon myself to interest them to have this visit. And indeed I thank Amos, the PR.
Makuraga gashakwa gada saba Sky TV agenshonga muri Kikube.